Hey, so I just want to make a quick little video. I did actually just install a Borla S-type exhaust in the truck. The old exhaust that I had with the MBRP muffler, I decided that it was time for it to go. It was leaking really bad. The welds were all broken. It was kind of falling apart. So put the Borla in. It sounds amazing. But I've had a few people ask me how the BD Diesel manifolds are holding up. And they're great. I actually did a smoke test with everything apart, and there was nothing leaking. So I'll start it up for you guys so you can hear the Borla because it sounds awesome. And you won't be able to hear an lifter tick either. Honestly, if you even had some sort of exhaust tick or lifter tick, I don't think you can hear it anymore. Sounds really good. But if we go over here, there's no exhaust ticks in there at all. None. The exhaust tick I had after the fact was definitely the rest of the exhaust. So BD manifolds are awesome. Borla's awesome. I'm gonna do a video when we put it on my dad's truck. Same thing, the S-type. So I'll see you guys then.